So today we are doing a collab video with Rootz and Cassandra Jones. Both of those ladies have very lovely channels over there, so make sure you go check out their video and check out their channel. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, give them a comment, tell them Octavia Beauty sent you. Okay, so today our video is going to be, we're supposed to be collabing on a pastel eyeshadow look. I went for an orange look. I used the Juvia's Zulu palette, and I also used the Morphe Desert Bouquet, which you guys see me and Cassandra Jones use this palette live on one of our live days. So yeah, let me stop holding y'all up and, you know, let's start this get ready with it.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Leather jacket though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd and I think we're all dies. Her she's perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend of a friend, never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you, 'cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place over spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again. Do it all over again. Tell me a lie, and I tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for you.
Okay guys, I'm gonna give y'all full transparency. This is like my second time doing this video. The first time I did this video, I used a palette that I have never used before, and it's from a very known brand that I love, and I have boosted up on this channel, and I have told y'all to use this brand. However, that brand is really great, but just like this one palette that I've tried from them was not great, so my eyeshadow looked trash, and so I had to redo it. So if you wonder why you only got eyeshadow and the rest of my makeup was already done, because like I didn't feel like that was a representation of Octavia Beauty. I didn't feel like it was a representation of worthy of this collab, and that eyeshadow was trash because basically that palette was trash and I couldn't get it to work. But however, I used the Desert Bouquet from Morphe. I love this palette. Me and Cassandra Jones, I told y'all in the intro, we used this palette on one of our lives, and I love it. And of course, you know, we're always using Juvia's Zulu palette. Is amazing. Juvia's Place palettes has really great formulas. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure you check down in the description section. I will be having Cassandra Jones and Rich Rootz channel link below. Go watch their video. I know it's gonna be bomb because those ladies do some really nice stuff on their channel. So yeah, but thank you guys for watching me, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.